Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Evernote notifications. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find apps option. Tap on it. And then tap on manage apps option. In the search bar, type in Evernote and perform your search. Tap on it. Scroll down a little and then tap on notifications option. In order to turn on Evernote notifications, enable show notifications option. And this is how you can turn on Evernote notifications. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you're new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.